Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Milpitas local and long-distance movers near me. When you need to move 100 or more miles away, our long-distance moving service is right for you. We take care of everything you need to make moving day a breeze. Our team can even offer all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Sometimes you might struggle to rationalize the hiring of a California moving company when it's just a local move. However, even with a local move, you will save a ton of time. Hiring professional movers will also help you avoid any heavy lifting. We provide the best movers in the area ready to streamline your moving day. When you hire 3 movers, you get a crew ready to go to work. We can move your entire home in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Milpitas moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.